beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this healthy Nigerian plantain porridge that'll leave you asking for more. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so I'll be using unripe plantain for this. Some people use both ripe and unripe, but I'll be using unripe plantain for this recipe. So I'll go ahead to wash the plantain till clean and I'm gonna peel the plantain. I'm gonna cut this into small slices and go ahead to cut it to the size that you want. Okay, so mine is gonna be a little bit smaller. I had to rub vegetable oil on my hands to stop the sticky nature on my hands. Okay, my hands was becoming so sticky. Okay, so I had to rub vegetable oil to help me. Plantain porridge is a healthy recipe that can be taken by all categories of person irrespective of health status. Okay, so next I'll go ahead to add in palm oil into my pot. I'll heat that up a bit and I'm going to be adding in my pepper blend, which is made up of bell peppers, habanero and tomatoes. I'm going to cook that till that sour taste of tomatoes and raw pepper goes off. Okay, next I'll add in salt, seasoning powder and my fish powder. Okay, for the fish powder, this is dry fish. All I did was to blend it till it is smooth. So I'll add that to it. I'll add in my cow skin. Feel free to use any protein of choice. Okay, so next I'll transfer my washed plantain into my sauce base. And I'm going to add in water to this. I'll stir everything together to combine properly. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected. And also turn on the bell button so you get notified whenever we post any new video. So I'll go ahead to cook this till it is soft. So I went ahead to add in pumpkin. You can add in any vegetable of choice and add in scent leaf, kale leaf and the rest. So I'm using pumpkin, which is ugu in Nigeria. So I added in more onion and voila, it was ready. This is my final look. I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye.